10y equals to h upon b plus p, h upon b plus p, right? Therefore, h upon b plus what is p? H cot theta, right? Okay. So cross them. B plus h cot theta equals to h upon 10y. This 10y comes down. B plus h cot theta on the other side. So this becomes cot y, right? Therefore, b plus h cot theta equals to h cot y. Okay. Therefore, b equals to what? Take h cot theta on the other side. B equals to h cot y minus h cot theta, right? That's what? Okay. Next. Therefore, a upon b equals to what? H into cot x minus cot theta, right? Here we got it a upon h into cot y minus cot theta. H is gone, right? Cot x minus cot theta upon cot y minus cot theta. That is a upon b. Now solve this. Therefore, a cot y minus a cot theta, cross them, equals to b cot x minus b cot theta. Okay, we want theta. Focus on theta only. So, a cot y minus b cot x, take on other side and cot theta on the other side, equals to a cot theta minus b cot theta, right? Okay. So, cot theta into a minus b equals to, see this, cot theta, see here, this x is on the other side, theta is on the other side. I have taken theta on left hand side and x and y on the right hand side because we want theta. You can take it anything anywhere, but the point is keep all of them at the same place. So cot theta into a minus b equals to this one, a cot y minus b cot x, right? Therefore cot theta equals to a upon b, a minus b comes below, a cot y minus b cot x upon a minus b. That is the required answer, or check what is given in the exam, the options, or you can write it b cot x minus a cot y upon b minus a, one and the same. Or if it's given in the exam in terms of sin cos, then convert this to sin cos. But generally this much is kept as a answer in the exams. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sync behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.